Hey everybody, it's Steff here, and I'm coming to you from 36,000 feet in the air, flying to Cabo San Lucas. We're going to do a Get Ready With Me on the airplane. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we are wheels up. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is sanitize my hands. Now I'm going to go in with my primer. It's the Milk Gripping Primer. Really love this primer. Helps the foundation last all day long. The foundation I'm going to be using is by L'Oreal, and this is their new Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm going in with the shade 420. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild makeup sponge, and I'm going to gently blend that out all over my face. Next, I'll be using some Tarte Shape Tape, and I am in the shade Light Sand. Next, I'm going in with the new Huda Beauty Tantour Contour Cream, and I have really been loving this. I am using the shade for fair skin. It blends out so nicely, guys, on the skin, whether you use a brush or a makeup sponge. Either or, you're going to get a nice blend and a nice contour. To set my face, I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm placing this only where I place down the concealer. Now I'll be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Powder. This is waterproof, and I'm applying that to the perimeters of my face. For blush, I'll be using the Catrice Eman Cheeky Blush Palette, and I'll be going in with two different shades from this palette. Next, I'll be using the Fenty Shady Biz Bronzer. For highlighter, I'll be going in with the Fenty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. Really love this highlighter. Beautiful glow on the skin. For eyeshadow today, I'll be using two of the Natasha Denona mini eyeshadow palettes. The first one I'll be using is the mini Nude palette, and I'll be using that in my transition area, as well as on the outer corner. For my lid color, I'll be using the new mini Tropic palette, and I'm going to go in with the green shade on my eyelids. I am making sure to wet my brush, that way I get a good color payoff, and that shimmer will adhere nicely to my eyelids. I got hardly any fallout with these shadows. It was very minimal. Diet Coke break. Now I'll be using another color and placing that on top of the green, just to really make those eyelids pop and sparkle. This was such a fun palette. I enjoyed taking it with me on my trip. It performed so well. It's so lightweight, it's so compact, and it's just the perfect on-the-go little palette. I'm going to go back in with the deepest shade in the mini Nude palette just to intensify my crease and my outer corner. I'll be going back in with my transition color from the mini Nude palette just to blend everything out. Now I'm going back in with the mini Tropic palette, and I'm going to run that turquoise shade on my lower lash line. And the payoff is obviously there. This was a great color. Next, I'll be using my Essence Waterproof Fine Tip Eyeliner. Also from Essence, I'll be going in with the You Better Work Waterproof Mascara. Now I'll be taking my Ulta Beauty Gel Eyeliner and running that on my lower lash line, on the waterline, on my lower lash line. Next, I'll be going in with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Fully Nude. To make sure my skin has a nice dewy finish, I'll be going in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Spray. And I'm going to dab that out with my Wet n Wild sponge. To set my face for the day, I'll be going in with my Holy Grail makeup setting spray, the Urban Decay All Nighter. This stuff works wonders. Fan that out. That is it, guys. I am getting ready to land and enjoy my Cabo San Lucas trip. So you all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink your water, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.